How to enable burst mode on iPhone. To get started, first of all open up the camera application on your phone. You are now in the iPhone camera screen. To take burst photos on an iPhone, tap and hold the shutter button, swiping it to the left to capture photos in rapid succession. Release your finger to stop. After that, go to the bottom left corner and tap on Media. You can view the burst photo you just took here. Then, tap on the burst option at the top left. You can now choose to keep all the photos or swipe to select a few favorites to save individually. Select the photos and tap on the tick icon. Then, tap on Keep Only One Favorite. Following these steps, you can easily enable burst mode on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.